And New South Wales Police is working on this theory that the epicentre of the outbreak on the Ruby Princess cruise ship could be linked to someone working in the galley or waiting on passengers. It's still very early on in the investigation, but Police Commissioner Mick Fuller says this is the likely scenario.
That would seem to be the most obvious point of transmission to someone who's handling food on behalf of multiple hundreds of people.
Pete, The Australian this morning is reporting that the private company that operates the cruise ship allowed for the galley to be providing meals and to be making meals for the 1,000 crew members on board until Saturday, despite warning signs that the likely source of the outbreak was the kitchen. 18 passengers from the Ruby Princess cruise ship have died after contracting COVID-19, with a further 2 deaths announced yesterday. Here in New South Wales, there are almost 3,000 cases of coronavirus, and New South Wales health authorities have issued a fresh plea for aged care workers to stay home if they're feeling unwell after a nurse went to work sick for 6 days despite having symptoms of COVID-19. She tested positive yesterday, as did another resident from the Cadence aged care facility in Western Sydney. Now, this is obviously an issue. There could potentially be an outbreak at this particular aged care facility, the same way that we saw the Dorothy Henderson Lodge as well in Sydney's northwest. So health authorities here in New South Wales issuing a fresh plea for all aged care workers to stay home if they're feeling unwell, and fresh revelations around the Ruby Princess cruise ship this morning too.